Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be doing an Aliexpress review. I had purchased one of the wigs directly from the website. I got the Brazilian body wave lace front wig 13x6 pre-plucked with natural baby hairs. I got it in the length 16 inches because I wanted something a little bit more classier, and I got 180% density because I wanted it to look a little bit more full. So before I start anything, I always bleach the knots on the wig. This bleaching process came out so spectacular. I'm so proud of myself. I used 30 developer and bleach. If you want me to make a video about that, I can do that down below. I washed the wig out with purple shampoo and also my Aussie shampoo and conditioner. Once I rinsed that out, I put the wig directly on my head because I want to find the parting. So I wanted to do a middle part for today, and I think it's better to do the parting while it's on your head versus a wig. So that's why I did it on my head. After I find the parting, I put it right back on the wig head and I start plucking. I didn't really show this process because there's really nothing to show. I just start plucking wherever I feel like I need it to be plucked. And thankfully this wig was pre-plucked to begin with, so I didn't have to do a lot of work. But yeah, I just plucked it and I, combed out the stray hairs. So after all that, I go into blow drying. I blow dry with the Silverbird blow dryer, which is my favorite of all time. And I use a paddle brush because I think that just makes the hair more voluminous and straighter. So taking my foundation, which is the perfect match for me, I put that all over my wig cap, just in the front, so that it can blend well with my skin. And using the same foundation brush, I put that all over my wig as well, all over the lace, so that it blends perfectly with my skin. That's what we want. We want it to blend. We want skin. We want melt. And doing this will help with that. So after that, I went into plucking the middle part. I love doing this because it makes it look more straight. It makes the middle part look more cleaner, in my opinion. So I like to pluck the hairs right in the middle. So I forgot to say this in the beginning. So I noticed that with Aligrace wigs, they run pretty small. Like, it's a size small cap. And I also noticed that they don't come with air tabs to cut off. I don't know if you can tell, and you might think that's a good thing, but it's not a good thing, because if there was more lace, then that'll make installing the sides of the lace where the ears are, it will make installing that part so much more easier. So I did have a lot of trouble with installing this wig because it is kind of small for my head, but I made it work. But I just wanted to say that I just want to get that out the way. So after that, I went into layering my hair. I kind of struggled with this a little bit because at first I was using scissors and it was a no-go. So then I went in with my eyebrow razors and it was much better. So yeah, I was just picking up random pieces of hair and just started cutting them off. Like, whatever looked straight to me, cut. Just did a whole bunch of layers everywhere. So for my installation, I used the Bedhead Extreme Hold spray. I freaking love this spray, but I'm not gonna go into it. I'm not gonna go into the install, into details or anything like that, because I made a whole video about it. I'll link it up in the cards, but I made a whole video about it, how I like it, and how I installed it. So if you want to, you can go check it out. But yeah, I'm not gonna go into the details in this video, so I'm just gonna let you guys vibe out to the music. So I'm using my favorite elastic band for my laces. I'll leave it linked down below. It's my favorite because you don't have to tie it or just fuss with it. You can just attach it to the thing and then you're done. After that, I went into styling, and as you guys are gonna see, I kind of was struggling. So I was trying to do flat iron curls, but it just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to because the hair was so frizzy. Yeah, the hair was very frizzy, and also I don't have good technique when it comes to flat iron curls, so I just got really frustrated. I got so mad because I'm like, what is this? I was like, you know what, we're gonna try again tomorrow. This is bad. So it's tomorrow, it's a new day. I forgot to film it, but I cut the ends of the hair like a blunt cut just to make the curls a lot better, and it definitely worked. But before I even get into that, you see here that I'm flattening the parts of the hair so that the top of the hair can be really flat. I use a wax stick to flatten it, and I use my favorite hot comb of all time to make it really, really flat. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how the cut looks after. I'm just showing you guys how the ends look after I cut it. Then I'm gonna go into styling the hair, and I just took my curling iron, because you know curling irons are for curling hair, not flat irons. I took my curling iron and curled my hair away from my face. The thing is, I kind of got confused a little bit. I got confused and I started doing the curls in just different ways, so you're gonna see me redoing the curls a lot because it just wasn't coming out how I wanted it to. And yeah, that's okay. I just made sure to keep redoing the curls to my liking and keep fluffing it and brushing it out to see how it looks against my face. I think it turned out good. I love how the curls came out, but I'm gonna let you guys again vibe out to the music, and I'll come back later. So I'm pretty much done with the hairstyle, and I love how it came out. Oh my god, it's giving me so grown vibes, classy vibes, which is what I wanted. I just love how it turned out. Again, I had to keep recurling it till I had it to my liking, but I just love how the whole hairstyle, the whole look came out. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video doing this makeup. I was going to a photo shoot, so that's why I was all dialed up. But if you want me to do a video to it, I can definitely do that. But yeah, I love it. Like, it's just so like grown-ish. But anyway, For the rest of the video, I'm just gonna be like, you know, for them myself. So if you want to keep on watching, keep on watching. If not, then you could click out here. But before you do, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.